How to make a sushi? You will need nori seaweed, sushi rice, a salmon, a cucumber, and a sushi vinegar. First, put the rice in a pot. Add water. Mix the water and the rice. Cook for 15 minutes. Turn it off and leave it for 10 minutes. Next, remove the skin of the salmon. Then cut the salmon. Next, put the rice in a bowl and add a sushi vinegar. Then put the rice on a plate and cool it down. Next, cut and peel the cucumber and cut it into the stripes. Then cut the seaweed and put the rice on it. Add salmon stripes and roll it. Then we are half finished. Next, cut the left and right sides and then cut it to small pieces. So we are done, and enjoy your sushi.